Which way you want to go?
I think we should do some lap time and stuff first. Let all the drift cars get set up, get tires on and everything.
I just wanted to like try to see.
Track right now. Adam's in the Mustang, Tommy's in his K-Swap Beyond. Feeling it. Pretty rad, right? Sounds crazy. Sounds so pissed off.
So this is going to literally be steps. She's driven manuals before, not on the track though. So that's the thing. So you can see.
Keep myself entertained. Yeah. Tommy, are you going back out?
Yeah.
Anyone wants to ride with me?
Somebody else wants to ride with you.
I wanna see some drifting. best thing about this car.
That way, the ethanol won't eat away. I think Kelsey's car and the ethanol, it was a whole year not started.
Unicorn power. Unicorn power makes the world go round.
I wish like when we were doing Lead Falls, but I'm like 198.
I like it because it's very challenging. It's very hard.
Yeah, and we don't have a dual caliber spark, so I'll still have more fun here. Yeah. Tell me what you think. I can do that whole thing all the way around. I'm like, oh yeah, it's great. And then I try all these, I'm like, God, I suck.
Can I go whatever direction I want?
Yeah. We did the wonder of the bit. We had it.
He told me he works really good with I guess Dutch honest.
Come on, $180. We bought that car for so cheap. Damn. There you go. A little bit better.
So if you ever come to your style,
How was it?
oh, it was killer. I loved it.
Nice.
Flying into the
I'm glad.
corner like 100 plus,
I'm glad you
throwing
guys.
it backwards.
Dude, I got some flames coming out of this thing.
Oh yeah, it'll shoot. It'll shoot
Oh, yeah.
on nitrous.
Thanks for everything. I appreciate it. That time, huh?
That time.
You had fun?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, dude.
So rad.
Yeah, it was good having you guys.
We want to come back for a track day.
Yeah,
For sure.
you think you can beat me? I don't know, dude. You're an animal.
When I put the slicks on this thing,
I want to be competitive and be like, yeah, I got you, but you're driving this thing at 10-10.
Wait, what did you do anything to this?
so it's on E85. It's got camber plates in the front to get a little bit better alignment. It's got Ford Performance lowering springs.
Nice.
Oh, and then it's got like headers, exhaust, intake tune.
But
Nice.
still, you were driving
Just
this
wake it up.
very, very hard. Like, you weren't leaving much left on the table. Except for like those two tiny spots I told you about. But,
The
like,
tires will help a ton.
tires will be a huge difference.
You see my love mark from one of your cones?
Yeah, you guys are going hard on the cones.
That was fun.
Cool.
It was.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
See Augustine will do something.
Otherwise,
See you, Ben.
See ya.
Thank you guys again.
Yeah, no problem.